In this video, we will show you how to start the time tracker on Teamtrics. After you log into your account, you will see this page. The time tracker is located here. Before you click the Start icon, go to the Project Assigned section and click the drop-down icon to see the tasks. Select the task you are going to work on. Now, click the Start icon. On the pop-up screen, select Entire Screen and then click the screen. Click Share to start the time tracker. Alternatively, you can start the time tracker this way. On the Global Time Tracker, click the drop-down list to select the project and task you want to track time for. Then, click the Play icon. On the pop-up screen, select Entire Screen. Click the screen. Click Share to start the time tracker. To stop or pause the time tracker, simply click the pause icon.